The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Edwards County and southeast Illinois.
Watching Eyewitness here. Keep an eye on this.
At 4:28 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 6 miles west of West Salem, or 10 miles north of Albion. This storm was nearly stationary. Locations in the warned area include West Salem and Bone Gap. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following county: Edwards County, Illinois.